Expensive handheld scanners can be easily replaced with powerful budget mobile devices. How can smartphones help you maximize warehouse efficiency? With features like multi- and batch scanning, the ScanBot barcode scanner SDK can streamline your operations. Need to view product information? Employees can access data directly on the smartphone display. Upon delivery, scan and confirm the merchandise's arrival. Employees can see the number of items in stock and place an order directly on the device. Whether order picking, shipping, or inventory management, mobile barcode scanning covers all business operations. Provide your employees with familiar mobile devices and watch efficiency increase.